Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss pronoun. Pronoun is the second part of speech in English grammar. It can be defined as words used instead of nouns to avoid repetition. यानी वो अल्फाज जो नाम या इसम की बजाय इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं ताकि तकरार से बार बार की तकरार से बचा जा सके। अपनी इस तारीफ को वाज़ह करने के लिए हम दो मिसालों का सहारा लेंगे। वी वुड गिव यू टू एग्जांपल टू एक्सप्लेन। फर्स्ट वन, अहमद वर्क्स हार्ड, he always stands first in his class. All the teachers like him. He, his, him. These underlined word he, his and him have been used for Ahmad to avoid the repetition. तकरार से बचने के लिए ये he, his, him अहमद की जगह इस्तेमाल हुए हैं। They are pronoun. Example number 2, Samir, Mustafa and Ibrahim are classmates. They go to school together. They do their homework in the evening. In these sentences, they, and third sentence, they and their, have been used for Samir, Mustafa and Ibrahim to avoid the repetition. यानी तकरार से बार बार ये नाम लिखे जाएंगे तो इसकी जगह they, their और they इस्तेमाल किए गए। These are called pronouns. To understand the pronouns better, we are going to discuss the different cases of personal pronouns with the help of a table. Cases of personal pronoun: subjective, possessive, objective. Subjective, when the pronoun is used as a subject of a sentence. Possessive, when they show some possession. And objective, when the pronouns are used as an object of the sentence. Persons, first person pronoun, ज़मीर मुतकल्लिम, the person who speaks, यानी जो बंदा खुद अपनी बात करता है, इसमें शामिल है it consists of I and we, मैं और हम. The second person pronoun, ज़मीर हाजिर, the person who is spoken to, जिस शख्स से बात की जाती है, means the person who is present before you, you can say him, you. यानी जो शख्स आपके सामने मौजूद हो तो आप सिर्फ उससे कह सकते हैं तुम या आप. It consists of you. Third person pronoun, ज़मीर गायब, the person who is spoken about, यानी जिस शख्स के बारे में बात की जाती है. It consists of they, he, she, it. They, वो जमा, he वो वाहिद मुज़क्कर, she वो वाहिद मुअन्नस, it ये और वो दोनों के लिए. अब इनके केसेस, डिफरेंट केसेस पे हम डिस्कशन करते हैं. I, my, me. I go to school. This is my bag. He told me. We play cricket. This is our school. ये हमारा स्कूल है. She helped us. उसने हमारी मदद की. So I, my, me, we, our, us, you, your, you, they, their, them. he, his, him, she, her, her. It, its, it. The student can learn it by heart like I, my, me, we, our, us, you, your, you, they, their, them, he, his, him, she, her, her, it, its, it.